Another day, another exhausting battle against the never-ending mess. Wouldn't it be amazing if robots could clean it all up while you kicked back on the couch? Well, guess what? Robots are no longer just science fiction. From cleaning your home to assisting with surgery, robots are quietly transforming our daily lives. But what exactly are these robots, and how are they impacting us? In this video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of robots. We'll explore how they're changing everything from work to healthcare, entertainment, and even companionship. But are robots our helpful partners or a threat to humanity? The future of robots depends on us. So, buckle up and join us as we separate fact from fiction and explore the exciting possibilities of our robot-filled future. For decades, robots were confined to the realm of science fiction. But thanks to advancements in technology, robots are rapidly integrating into our everyday lives. They're not all humanoid marvels yet, but they're transforming various aspects of our world. Let's explore some of the different types of robots we encounter daily. Industrial robots. These workhorses tirelessly perform tasks in factories, assembling products, welding parts, and painting surfaces with incredible precision and speed. Service robots. These robots are increasingly interacting with us in public spaces. Think of robotic vacuum cleaners tirelessly navigating your home, delivery robots zipping through sidewalks, or even robotic waiters taking your order at a restaurant. Medical robots. These robots are playing a crucial role in healthcare. They assist surgeons in complex procedures, provide rehabilitation therapy, and even perform delicate minimally invasive surgeries. Educational robots. Engaging robots are being used in classrooms to make learning fun and interactive, helping children develop coding skills and problem-solving abilities. Robots offer numerous benefits in various sectors. Increased efficiency. Robots can work tirelessly, often surpassing human capabilities in terms of speed and precision, leading to increased productivity. Improved safety. Robots can handle dangerous tasks in hazardous environments, protecting human workers from harm. Enhanced accuracy. Robotic precision is unmatched, leading to higher quality products and improved outcomes in fields like healthcare. Reduced costs. While there's an initial investment, robots can lead to cost savings in the long run through increased efficiency and reduced human error. Robots are no longer confined to factories or hospitals. They're making their way into our homes, offering a helping hand and making our lives easier. Smart vacuum cleaners. These robotic marvels autonomously navigate your home, keeping floors clean with minimal effort. Lawn mowing robots. Say goodbye to weekend chores. Robotic lawnmowers can keep your yard perfectly manicured. Social companions. For those living alone, robots can offer companionship and even provide reminders and medication assistance. Educational and entertainment robots. Engaging robots can be a fun and interactive way for kids to learn and play. If you're learning something new in this video, please give it a like, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to encourage us for making more videos like this. The future of robots is brimming with exciting possibilities. 1. Increased collaboration. We can expect robots to work alongside humans, becoming valuable partners in various industries. 2. Advanced AI integration. Robots powered by artificial intelligence will become more adaptable and capable of complex decision-making. 3. More human-like interaction. Robots with improved dexterity and communication skills will seamlessly interact with us in public and private spaces. 4. Focus on care and assistance. Robots can play a significant role in supporting the elderly and disabled, offering companionship and assistance with daily tasks. Despite the exciting possibilities, there are also challenges to consider. Job displacement. Automation through robots could lead to job losses in certain sectors. Ethical concerns. Issues like robot ownership, safety, and potential bias in AI algorithms need careful consideration. The human connection. While robots offer convenience, it's important to maintain human interaction and social connections. The robot revolution is not about replacing humans. It's about leveraging technology to improve our lives. By focusing on responsible development and collaboration, robots can become powerful tools for progress. Ready to experience the robot revolution firsthand? Here are a few ideas. Invest in a smart home robot to automate chores and simplify your life. Explore educational robots with your kids to spark their interest in technology and coding. Consider robotic assistance in healthcare. Minimally invasive robotic surgery offers faster recovery times. Robots are not coming to steal our jobs or take over the world. They're here to collaborate with us, taking care of the mundane tasks and freeing us to focus on creativity, innovation, and the aspects of life that require a human touch. We can leverage robot strengths while embracing our own unique capabilities. The robot revolution is already happening, and it's not just about the latest gadgets. It's about the potential for positive change in various sectors, from healthcare and manufacturing to education and assisted living. By embracing responsible development and fostering human-robot collaboration, we can build a future where robots augment our lives and empower us to reach new heights. What excites you most about robots? Are you worried about the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation about robots going, ensuring they become a force for good in the world.